Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's cooking in Zahira's kitchen today? Today I'll be showing you guys how to make suqaar or beef cube stew. So maanta waxaan ii tusayaa sidaan u sameeyo suqaarka oo aad u jecelnahay oo bariiska ku cunno, ceeshka, sawaayada, you name it. So first things first, waxaan ka bilaabeynaa basal caadi ah, basasha guduud isticmaali kartaa, caad, jaalo, aday kugu xiran tahay. So first things first, we're going to start with onions. You can use red onions, white onions, yellow onions, any type of onion you like. And then I've just roughly chopped that up. It doesn't have to be perfect, and we're just going to blend that so that we have a thick paste. So basasha waaweyn oo jaray, qaab karta oo jari kartaa, hadaad yaris ani sababtoo waa shiidi doonaa, that's why waaweyn ugu jaray. Kadib saddex xabo oo toon isku shiidaya, and then you just chop up 3 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon of oil as I'm using just to make my blending easier. Waxaa isticmaalay hal qaando saliid ah sida marka shiidayo u fududaato. Haddaad saliid badan rabin, wax yar biyo ku dar ama sidiis u shiid sababta basasha ayadaaba qoyaan ah. Kadib intaas isku shiid, haddaad basasha rabin shiidid, then yaryariis u jaro, aday kugu xiran tahay. I think I've said that. And then dabka waxaa ku shubtay hal qaando oo saliid ah. So I've added 1 tablespoon of oil and just on a hot pan. Make sure your heat is medium low. Make sure that it's not too high, and then so that you don't burn your onions. So we're just going to saute that for a good 3 minutes. Marka saliidda dabka ku shubaysid, dabka ha dheereenin, dhexdhexaad ka dhig. Marka dalacayno basasha inaa gubato ma rabno, saa darteeda marka basashana wax yarna karta waaye iyo toonta. Waxaa karinaysaa 3 daqiiqo camal, bas intaas ku sii karto. Kadib waxaa ku darsaday hal qaando oo filfil ah. Haddaa filfil haysanin ama haddaad isticmaalin dhib male. So I've just added 1 tablespoon of peppers, black pepper. If you don't have any, or if you don't like peppers, you don't have to add. I usually add that for my base. And then I've added half a kg of beef cubes. Waxaa ku darsaday nus kiilo hilib suqaar. kiilo haddaad isticmaali kartaa, aday kugu xiran tahay, ama in ka yar haddaad rabtid. Kadib xawaaji hadda ku darsanaynaa, hilibkana waa shishiilaynaa. Hadda waxaa ku daray hal qaando oo curry powder iyo nus qaando oo huruud ah. Kadib waxaa ku darayaa hal qaando oo xawaaji ah, jeera. Kadib hal qaando oo paprika iyo waxaa kaloo ku dareynaa hal qaando oo maraq digaag ah. So we've just added those spices and I've written that down below. If you don't have chicken stock or chicken bouillon, then just add salt. With this recipe, I have not used any salt because all the spices had salt anyway and the taste was just as fine. But if you don't have any chicken stock, you can just add salt and it should taste the same. Don't worry, you can change up the recipe if you want, but if you want to follow this recipe, and I'm sure you're gonna love it, just carry on with me. And then I've also added 5 teaspoons. That looks more than 5, but just listen to me and just go for 5. And yeah, so I've added 5 drops of liquid beef seasoning. If you don't have liquid beef seasoning, then seriously, you're missing out. If you do not add liquid beef seasoning to your meat, then you're seriously missing out. And if you don't have it, don't worry. Should be fine, to be honest. And then we're just going to let that cook for a good 5 minutes before we add water to our mixture. Did I say mixture? Is this supposed to be a mixture? Okay. It's not time for Q&As. And yeah, as you can see, I've added half a cup of water. And we're just going to let that simmer for a good 10 minutes, I think, depending on your heat. So 8 دقيقة ayaa hilibka ku karkarinay. Nus koob oo biyaan ku daray hilibka. Maraq aday kugu xirantaa intaad rabtid. هذا مرق يريني سدن بيه انت سكوداف هذا مرق بذي ربتدنا كستو بيه وبذي سيدا ujeediin waxaa ku daray barbarooni oo kala nuuc ah. I've added different types of bell peppers, a quarter of each. If you don't have different colors, then just add as much as you want depending on your taste. iyo waxaa ku daray kabsar caleen la jarjaray, kabsar caleen iyo barbarooni. So I've added a handful of coriander just to enhance the flavor and the smell of the stew. And at this point, as you can see, when you can see that the water is kind of simmering down, just lower the heat and your food is ready. And as you can see, I'm just gonna top that up with spring onions, basal bar ayaan waxyar kor ugu shubay haddaad haysanin, that's fine. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. If you tried the recipe, let me know. And thank you for watching my video. See you guys soon. Bye bye.